Hi, in this video we will be talking about how to use your imagination to stay motivated at the gym. Watch this video to the end to explore the science behind visualization and provide practical tips on how to incorporate it into your fitness journey. Welcome back to the Motivation Source. The gym can be an intimidating place, especially when you're striving to meet your fitness goals. From pushing through tough workouts to staying consistent with your routine, maintaining motivation is key. One powerful tool that often goes overlooked is visualization. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can significantly enhance your motivation and performance at the gym. We'll explore the science behind visualization and provide practical tips on how to incorporate it into your fitness journey. Understanding visualization. Visualization, also known as mental imagery or mental rehearsal, involves creating vivid mental images of achieving your goals or performing specific tasks. It's a technique used by athletes, performers, and individuals in various fields to enhance performance, build confidence, and stay focused. When you visualize, you engage your brain in a way that mimics real-life experiences, activating the same neural pathways associated with physical actions. The science behind visualization. One study published in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology found that basketball players who used visualization techniques showed significant improvements in free throw shooting accuracy compared to those who didn't visualize. Similarly, research in the field of neuroscience has shown that mental rehearsal can lead to changes in brain activity, strengthening neural connections associated with skill acquisition and performance. How visualization works. When you visualize yourself accomplishing your fitness goals or performing exercises with proper form and intensity, you're essentially programming your mind for success. Here's how visualization works. Activating the reticular activating system, RAS. The RAS is a network of neurons in the brainstem that plays a crucial role in attention and arousal. When you visualize your goals, you signal to your brain that these objectives are important, causing the RAS to filter relevant information and prioritize actions that align with your vision. Enhancing motivation and confidence. Visualization helps reinforce positive beliefs about your abilities and potential. By repeatedly visualizing success, you boost your confidence and motivation, making it easier to overcome obstacles and stay committed to your fitness regimen. Improving motor skills. When you visualize yourself performing exercises with proper technique, you stimulate the same neural pathways involved in physical execution. This mental rehearsal strengthens motor skills and muscle memory, leading to improved performance in the gym. Practical tips for using visualization in the gym. Now that we understand the benefits of visualization, let's explore some practical strategies for incorporating it into your gym routine. Set clear goals. Before you begin visualizing, define specific, achievable goals that you want to accomplish. Whether it's increasing strength, improving endurance, or achieving a certain physique, clarity is key to effective visualization. Create a detailed mental image. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in the gym, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and sensations of the environment. Visualize yourself performing each exercise with perfect form, feeling the muscles engage and the weight resistance. Be as detailed and vivid as possible. Engage all senses. Visualization is most effective when you engage multiple senses. In addition to visual imagery, incorporate sensations such as the sound of weights clanking, the feeling of sweat on your skin, and the taste of victory as you reach your goals. Practice regularly. Like any skill, visualization improves with practice. Set aside time each day to visualize your workouts and goals. Whether it's before bed, upon waking, or during rest periods at the gym, consistency is key to maximizing the benefits of visualization. Stay positive and persistent. While visualization can be a powerful tool, it's important to remain patient and persistent. Results may not be immediate, but with continued practice and belief in your abilities, you'll gradually see improvements in your performance and motivation. The nuances of visualization. While visualization is often associated with creating mental images of success, its effectiveness extends beyond mere imagination. To fully harness its potential, it's essential to understand the nuanced aspects of this technique. Emotional engagement. Visualization isn't just about seeing yourself achieve your goals. It's about feeling the emotions associated with success. Whether it's the euphoria of completing a challenging workout or the pride of reaching a new personal best, evoke these emotions during your visualization practice to amplify its impact. Visualization variations. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to visualization. Experiment with different techniques, such as first-person visualization, seeing through your own eyes, or third-person visualization, observing yourself from an external perspective, to discover what resonates best with you. Incorporating affirmations. Pairing affirmations with visualization can enhance its effectiveness. Integrate positive statements, such as, "I am strong," "I am capable," or "I am making progress every day," into your visualization practice to reinforce belief in yourself and your abilities. Progressive visualization. Start with visualizing small, achievable goals before gradually progressing to more ambitious objectives. This allows you to build confidence and momentum over time, laying the foundation for sustained success. Visualization beyond the gym. Visualization isn't limited to your time in the gym. Incorporate it into other areas of your life, such as meal planning, recovery strategies, and lifestyle choices, to create a holistic approach to wellness. Advanced visualization techniques. Once you've mastered the fundamentals of visualization, you can explore advanced techniques to further refine your practice. Multi-sensory visualization. In addition to visual imagery, incorporate other senses into your visualization practice. Focus on the sounds of the gym, the sensation of your muscles contracting, the smell of sweat and iron. All of these sensory inputs enhance the realism of your mental imagery. Dynamic visualization. Rather than visualizing static scenes, imagine yourself in dynamic scenarios that require adaptability and problem-solving. Picture yourself navigating through a challenging workout, adjusting your form and intensity in response to changing circumstances. Outcome visualization. Visualize not only the process but also the outcomes of your efforts. Imagine achieving your long-term fitness goals, whether it's running a marathon, completing a muscle-up, or reaching a specific body composition. By visualizing success, you reinforce your commitment to achieving your desired outcomes. Pre-performance routine. Incorporate visualization into your pre-workout routine as a way to mentally prepare for upcoming challenges. Spend a few minutes visualizing your workout, priming your mind and body for optimal performance. Recovery visualization. Visualization isn't just about training, it's also about recovery. Visualize your body healing and rejuvenating after a tough workout, promoting faster recovery and minimizing the risk of injury. Overcoming obstacles through visualization. Even with the most diligent practice, obstacles and setbacks are inevitable on the fitness journey. However, visualization can serve as a powerful tool for overcoming these challenges. Visualizing obstacle overcoming. When faced with obstacles, visualize yourself overcoming them with determination and resilience. Whether it's breaking through a fitness plateau, conquering a fear of failure, or navigating injury setbacks, imagine yourself emerging stronger and more resilient on the other side. Cognitive rehearsal. Use visualization as a form of cognitive rehearsal to prepare for potential obstacles and setbacks in advance. By mentally rehearsing your responses to challenges, you equip yourself with the mindset and strategies needed to overcome them effectively. Positive self-talk. Integrate positive self-talk into your visualization practice to combat self-doubt and negativity. When faced with challenges, remind yourself of past successes, affirm your abilities, and visualize yourself persevering in the face of adversity. Adaptive visualization. Adapt your visualization practice to accommodate changing circumstances and unexpected challenges. If your workout plans are derailed by unforeseen events, visualize alternative scenarios and strategies to stay on track with your goals. The transformative power of visualization. At its core, visualization is more than just picturing success, it's about embodying it. By immersing yourself in vivid mental imagery and engaging all your senses, you can bridge the gap between aspiration and attainment. Here's how visualization can transform your gym routine. Enhanced mind-muscle connection. Visualization strengthens the connection between your mind and muscles, enabling more precise and effective movement patterns. Whether you're executing a deadlift or performing a yoga pose, mentally rehearsing the movement primes your nervous system for optimal performance. Heightened focus and concentration. In the chaotic environment of the gym, maintaining focus can be challenging. Visualization acts as a mental anchor, directing your attention to the task at hand and shielding you from distractions. By immersing yourself in the mental landscape of your workout, you cultivate a state of flow where every representative becomes a meditation. Accelerated skill acquisition. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned athlete, visualization accelerates the learning curve by simulating real-world experiences in the mind's eye. By repeatedly visualizing correct technique and movement mechanics, you ingrain them into your muscle memory, leading to smoother execution and faster progress. Heightened motivation and confidence. Visualization is a potent antidote to self-doubt and demotivation. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals, whether it's lifting a personal best or sculpting your ideal physique, you bolster your confidence and reignite your passion for fitness. With each visualization session, you reaffirm your belief in your ability to succeed, laying the groundwork for sustained motivation. Advanced visualization techniques. Once you've mastered the fundamentals of visualization, you can explore advanced techniques to elevate your practice to new heights. Immersive visualization journeys. Instead of visualizing individual exercises in isolation, embark on immersive visualization journeys that encompass your entire workout experience. Imagine yourself entering the gym, warming up, tackling each exercise with precision and power, and finishing feeling energized and accomplished. By visualizing the entire process from start to finish, you create a cohesive narrative that fuels your motivation and determination. Visualization scripting. Develop a detailed script for your visualization sessions, outlining specific goals, scenarios, and outcomes. Whether it's overcoming a plateau, mastering a challenging exercise, or surpassing your personal best, script each visualization with precision and clarity. By scripting your visualizations, you provide structure and direction to your mental rehearsals, maximizing their effectiveness. Interactive visualization. Engage your imagination in interactive visualization exercises where you actively participate in shaping the outcome of the scenario. Instead of passively observing yourself from a distance, immerse yourself fully in the visualization, experiencing every sensation, emotion, and action as if it were unfolding in real time. By actively engaging with the visualization process, you deepen your connection to your goals and enhance their emotional resonance. Visualization pacing and timing. Experiment with different pacing and timing techniques to optimize the effectiveness of your visualizations. Whether it's slowing down the imagery to focus on technique and form or speeding up the visualization to simulate high-intensity training, adjust the pace to match the demands of your workout. By syncing your visualization with the rhythm of your training, you create a seamless integration between mind and body, maximizing performance and efficiency. Environmental visualization. Incorporate environmental cues into your visualizations to enhance their realism and relevance. Whether it's imagining the sights and sounds of your favorite gym, visualizing the feel of the barbell in your hands, or envisioning the supportive presence of fellow gym-goers, immerse yourself fully in the sensory experience. By recreating the familiar environment of the gym in your mind, you create a powerful mental anchor that transports you to a state of peak performance. Overcoming challenges through visualization. Despite its myriad benefits, visualization is not immune to challenges and obstacles. However, with the right mindset and approach, you can leverage visualization as a tool for overcoming adversity and emerging stronger than ever. Visualization as a resilience builder. View setbacks and challenges as opportunities for growth and resilience building. When faced with obstacles, instead of succumbing to defeat, Visualize yourself overcoming them with grace and determination. By reframing challenges as stepping stones to success, you cultivate a mindset of resilience and perseverance that empowers you to overcome any obstacle in your path. Visualization for injury rehabilitation. If you're sidelined by injury, visualization can serve as a valuable tool for maintaining mental and emotional well-being during the recovery process. Visualize yourself engaging in rehabilitative exercises, feeling the healing energy flow through your body, and envisioning a full and speedy recovery. By maintaining a positive and proactive mindset through visualization, you accelerate the healing process and pave the way for a seamless return to training. Visualization for goal reassessment. In the ever-changing landscape of fitness, goals may need to be reassessed and realigned periodically. Instead of viewing goal revisions as failures, use visualization as a tool for envisioning new possibilities and charting a course for future success. Visualize yourself embracing new challenges, setting ambitious yet achievable goals, and embarking on a journey of self-discovery and growth. By harnessing the power of visualization to adapt and evolve, you ensure that your fitness journey remains dynamic, fulfilling, and aligned with your aspirations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on The Motivation Source. See you next time.